So there we go, it's off. And away it goes there. That's amazing. So Daryl's flying it all round there, and don't forget he can't see. All as he's using is his goggles as he flies it. I think he's just gone through that goal actually, which to me is pretty amazing how he's just done that. And he is on his way back here. He's gone through that one now, I think. Round the trees. I don't know whether you can actually see it on my video there, as he is quite a good way away there. And here he comes. Take a look at this. That's pretty amazing, really. He's gone a lot higher there. He's heading out now towards that middle goal, and through he goes. Hello. And he's right over that far end, and he's heading back through the goal again. And here it comes. And it's going to come zooming past us. It's there. Look at that. And like I say, there's Daryl with his FPV goggles on. That's absolutely remarkable. And he's a real good way away now, as he heads back in here. And here we come. We're getting over the field there. Amazing how it flies. It's really good. He's right down there. I don't know where he's coming now. He's just gone up. He's turned round and heading again across the field there. It's quite low down now on the ground. I think he's just gone through that very far goal. That's absolutely amazing. Really good. And it's coming back here now again. It's right over the basketball area. And coming across the field again. Round the tree, along the path. I bet that's amazing now, the view we've got, which I'll put on the film for you. It'll be on now. And right across the field, he is going again. Brilliant fun. I think he's having an absolutely fabulous time flying his drone. And we've just come through that goal now. And he's swooping along the floor. Through that goal. and heading towards the pool again. I've actually lost it for a minute. I can't see it now from here, but Daryl can. Just waiting now for him come back again and just try and look where he actually is. I can see him. He's coming in now. So he's been a real good way with that particular flight round he's just done. And here he is. Battery seems to be lasting quite good. And he's off out again. Absolutely amazing. So he's been flying now for 6.5 minutes since he took off. He's just coming through all the tree area there, round a lamppost, and he's going to come now past the fitness thing and head straight in towards us here. And there we go. There's the drone. And here it is. It's coming in. It's going to come right past me here now. I don't know whether he's coming in for land, but there we are. Round the back of him. And away across the field again. That's about seven minutes now of flight time. Some birds about now as well. Don't know whether you can see them on the drone footage I've got there. So he's been flying now for 8 minutes 27 seconds. Well, like I say, his battery's doing quite well. I think it's got a flight time of about 9 or 10 minutes. So I'd say now he's getting low as he comes in here. And there we go, that's that flight over and done with. That's been really, really good.
Sick. That was pretty sick.
Bye.